detectorK. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using, or I will be using in this video. Okay, and if you love this content, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GAINEX 1200. Okay guys, this is GAINEX 1200, and of course I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Mayoka trading indicator to do my analysis. So if you are having, kindly follow up with this so that you know what is going on. Okay, so this started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. Since it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, gave us the downtrend signal and gave us the sell signal, and it had been selling since then. So till it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, tried to go back on uptrend, but was unable to go above this. So it came down right from there. So since it's unable to break out below this trend line, we are hoping that it will go on a buy trend. Okay, so we need it to break out above this. Okay, once it breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to buy for a while. And of course, it should get to this region for the first TP, and of course we are most likely to see it around here also once that happens. Okay, so this is going to be a very big buy right from there. Okay, so we should expect more buying right from there. Okay, next asset is going to be GAINEX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GAINEX 999. This particular asset was a bit slow today. Okay, because it had gotten to the support zone long before now, and we expect it to go on a buy trend, but it played around there for a very long time. Okay, we just needed to push up above this, and it's going to buy more. Okay, but if it should go below this trend line, then we are most likely to have more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it breaks out below the trend line. Okay, so this is very, very important. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Okay, this is PayNext 1200 that had been on downtrend for a while and broke out below this support zone at this point, and of course it sold more. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this particular support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this actually got to the support zone at this region, and it started an uptrend right from here. I gave out this signal yesterday, and of course got to TP1, TP2, almost got to TP3. Had the pullback and played around there for a while, but it will be trying it out again, and of course may likely get to TP3 at the end of the day. So which means this is still very much on buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course this was an uptrend before but got to this resistance or wasn't able to break out above there, so it's trying to go back on downtrend. Of course it didn't go below this particular support zone, so it's trying to pick up right from there again to see if it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so if it goes back on buy trend, it may likely get to this region and break out above it if possible. Okay, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Once it breaks out below this particular support region, then it's going to sell more. I expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity because it has gotten to the resistance zone already. So we just need it to break out below this before we can go fully into it. So I expect it to sell more right from there. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis I made in this video, and apply them carefully within the markets whenever you are trading. And of course, if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.